Hi Lovelies, it's occraft here, and for this video, we are going to visit a new and a much bigger store of healthy option in Abrisa Mall, Davao City. The newly opened store is over 300 square meters, bigger talaga than their previous store na 100 square meters. To give you some ideas of what's inside their store, here's a sneak peek of my visit. They have cosmetic section like foundation, eyeshadow, blush, eyeliner, lipstick, and many more. Its healthy option is known for supplements. They have wide selection of it from vitamin C, vitamin D, multivitamins, at kung ano-ano pang vitamins na mahanap nyo dyan. If you're a person who loves to read and learn more about health, Healthy Option have nutritional books located at the center of their store. If you enjoy baking and wants to try healthy ingredients, this area is for you. If you love pasta like I do, this area naman is for us. Nuts. Of course, I love nuts. They have peanuts, almonds, pistachios, and oh my god, trail mix. They have it all. Aside from food products, they also have toiletries. They have organic toothpaste, organic whitening teeth, napkins, cotton balls, and many more. Meron din silang hair care products like shampoo, conditioner, hair growth, and hair colors. If you have choppy lips and you want to moisturize it, they have lip balms. To keep you calm and at peace, they have essential oils. And last, but definitely not the least, they have skincare products. All in all, there are so many items and different healthy products inside Healthy Option stores. This is definitely one of my happy days. To know more of what items I bought during that visit, just click the link at the description box below. That's it, lovelies. Thank you for watching my vlog. Until next time.